Yeah? Let's hope that's working. If there's a red light, Emily, then that's working, right? Emily, just cut some shit together that I'm saying here, all this bollocks. Right, okay, here we go. Heute geht's Lockdown Cocktails. Und zwar die, wo wir kennen aus Film, Funk und Fernsehen. Wir fangen gerade an mit Sweet Vermouth with a Lemon Twist aus Groundhog Day.
For you, miss?
Sweet vermouth and the rocks with the twist, please.
Sweet vermouth, rocks with a twist, please.
That's my favorite drink.
Mine too.
These... too much. Süße Wermut and a lemon twist. This is a lemon twist. Twist it inside and drink. Ich muss die jetzt alle trinken.